Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the inside scoop on whether they're worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we have something truly special in store for you. The weyfinko W1PRO 2K body-worn camera. Let's jump right in and explore what makes this camera stand out from the crowd. The weyfinko W1PRO isn't your average body camera. It's packed with features designed to capture every moment with stunning clarity and convenience. With its 1440p UHD video capability and 48 megapixels photo resolution, this camera ensures that every detail is crystal clear. Whether you're recording at home, outdoors, during travel, or in meetings. Equipped with a professional-grade CMOS sensor chip and 6 infrared lights, the W1PRO delivers vibrant colors during the day and enhanced night vision when the lights go down. Plus, with its H.264 encoding, you can store more footage without compromising on quality. But what really sets the W1PRO apart is its versatility. Say goodbye to constantly worrying about battery life. This camera comes with not one, but 2 replaceable batteries and a dedicated charging dock. With a single battery lasting up to 7 to 8 hours of continuous recording, you'll never miss a moment. And when it comes to storage, the W1PRO has you covered. It comes with a C10 level 64GB memory card, expandable up to a whopping 512GB. That means you can record hours upon hours of footage without running out of space. Worried about the security of your recordings? Fear not. The W1PRO allows you to set a password, giving you peace of mind knowing that your footage is safe from unauthorized access or deletion. Whether you're using it for personal security, documenting incidents, or law enforcement purposes, the weyfinko W1PRO is the ultimate companion for capturing life's moments with unparalleled clarity and convenience. And there you have it, the weyfinko W1PRO 2K body-worn camera. With its superior video quality, long battery life, and advanced features, it's a must-have for anyone looking to capture life's adventures. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy recording.